To set the built-in cam feature, navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Built-in Cam menu in the infotainment system. In the recording menu, you can select the recording mode, voice recording option, and choose which driving information to include in the video. The built-in cam records according to present values. In particular, the built-in Cam 2 Plus detects and records the motion of vehicles or pedestrians approaching from the side, as well as bumps while parking. In the recording time menu, you can set the recording durations for parked events, driving events, and time-lapse recordings. You can set the impact detection sensitivity during driving and parked to 1 of 5 levels. Additionally, in the display settings, you can adjust the height of the front and rear recording video images. Select any video from the recorded video list in the built-in cam menu to play it directly. Select Built-in Cam, Phone Connection to establish a Wi-Fi connection between your smartphone and vehicle, allowing you to play videos stored in the built-in cam using your smartphone app. You can also remove the SD memory card from the built-in cam's memory slot and play the videos on a PC or other device.